Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from tablet to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then enter YouTube app on your tab and press the screencast button. Now select your TV. And now your devices are connected. Now you can play any music or video you want on your tab and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to disconnect your devices, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.